Pioneers, this is the machine tricep press. It's important with this machine that you don't let your elbows hike up too high and that you use a grip width that is appropriate for your frame. So a smaller framed person would need the handles in closer. A larger framed person would need the handles turned out like this. To adjust how high your elbows are gonna go, you're gonna need to make sure that you pull this knob and adjust the seat height. So 1 to 2 works for me. As I sit in this, I wanna make sure that I adjust the weight to be appropriate for me because the triceps right in here in the back of the arm are really small muscle. They're also kind of weak, so start light. Take the knob to adjust by larger increments, and then this turning knob to adjust by smaller 5-pound increments. Grip the handles, putting most of the weight into this part of the hand, and try to keep the wrists straight. Don't let them bend back like this. You're gonna be leaning forward quite a bit. Try to keep as much of your body in contact with the mat as possible. Exhale, press down, and then let them come back up with some control. You might also feel this in the chest muscles in the front of the armpit. That's the tricep press machine.